I'm going to show you how to make 3 different types of green tea. One is green milk tea. It's a regular milk tea using green tea as base. The other is green tea latte using milk as base. And the third is green tea frappe tea. So for this purpose, I'm going to use the espresso machine to brew our tea. By all means, you can use your own method of brewing your tea. You can use the boiling method, you can use the tea strainer, you can use the French press, or whatever method you have. I find that using the espresso machine actually gives you that strong taste as well as the aroma. It just gives you a different flavor, and also the aroma is retained. For the milk tea, we need 4 ounces of green tea. For the tea latte, the green tea latte, I will need 2 ounces of green tea. And for the green tea frappe, I'm going to use 2 ounces. So I'm going to pull it right now. For black tea, you need 1 scoop for 4 ounces of tea. But for green tea, you only need to use half of that. So I'm starting with 4 ounces of green tea. So I'm going to take half a scoop. It is very refreshing. It's just that the green tea is balanced. Bitterness is not there at all because it's balanced by the vanilla. Absolutely refreshing. Now let's try our latte. Yum. Finally, our latte, our frappe. Perfect. If you have any questions, do let me know. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching, and ciao for now. Ciao for now.